Who's making homemade scones in the morning? We making homemade scones in the morning. Well, I mean, Matt made homemade scones. Yum, yum.
Who is it, Lizzie? Kevin McGowan, $25 gift card. Thank you.
Look how big the gifts have gotten. Got home from our friend Johnny's toy drive, which he does every year, which is so amazing. He gets so many toys donated, so it's really, really cool to be a part of. Afterwards, we went to dinner at a place called Puesto, which was so fun. They're known for their tacos. They do like a crunchy cheese on their tacos, which is so good. So yeah, now we're home, just playing with the baby girl, and yeah, I found her chewing on like random things, and I just realized what it was. I was like, what are you chewing on right now? And what are you doing? She's just wagging her tail. It's this toy she has of hers that's like a frisbee. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's this frisbee, and it has these white pieces in it. Because I was like, where are you getting these white pieces from? But it's this frisbee.